Hi everyone, this is Princess Aina Ala Kampong, and in this video, I'm going to discuss the importance of language. Language is an essential component of human interactions. Humans are the only species that have perfected cognitive verbal communications, despite the fact that all species have ways of communicating, like how the dogs communicate non-verbally through the use of body language and secondarily through vocalizations. This body language include tail carriage and motion, ear and eye position, body positions and movements, and facial expressions. Language allow us to communicate our thoughts, feelings, and ideas with others. Language is what distinguishes us humans. It is the method by which individuals communicate. Learning a language, it means that we master complicated systems of vocabulary, structure, and grammar that allows you to communicate effectively and fully understand each other. Language comes naturally to the majority of people. Even before we can speak, we learn how to communicate. Example of this, when we are babies, we communicate to our parents through crying, and as we get older, we figure out how to manipulate language to truly represent what we want to say with the words and complex sentences. Of course, language isn't the only means of communication, but it does help to speed up the process. One of the many reasons why language is vital because it allows us to communicate with one another. Language allows us to convey our feelings, thoughts, and it is unique to our species since it allows us to express other cultures and communities' distinct beliefs and practices. You can understand the concept and thoughts that are distinct from your own culture. By learning a foreign language, you can learn about societies, conventions, and how individuals interact with one another. Language not only in the preservation of culture, but it also allows us to learn about others and easily convey ideas. Language is also important in the field of business. The value of language in business cannot be overstated. We can communicate ideas or develop them into something more if we don't have a common language. Language is essential, whether it's learning a foreign language to communicate thoughts with individuals from other countries, or simply understanding how to master an interview in a room or network with others. Human communication is nonverbal, where we can demonstrate our thoughts, feelings, and ideas by our gestures, expression, tones, and emotions. Language is important for personal communication, whether it's being able to talk to your friends, your partner, or your family. Having shared language is necessary for this type of interaction. Language is seen as a vital instrument for forming cultural bonds, friendships, and relationships. It is medium for giving shape to thoughts, ideas, and emotions based on one's perspective of reality and presenting them to others in a way that the listeners can comprehend and relate to them. A common language serves as a sign ideas, emotions depending upon the perceptions of reality, and portray it to the others in a manner that the people listening can understand and relate to them. A common language is a symbol of social solidarity and gives the impression of cultural kinship.